to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, news, features, deals, special events, and fun. I want to take a moment just to share with you the exotic, exquisite experience that has been mine here at the Sandals Ochi Golf and Spa Resort in Jamaica. Amazing. It is the 16th anniversary of the Sandals Travel Agent Golf Tournament. We're excited about this experience. Loving the Sandals Ochi property. Always had a special place in my heart, and I specifically requested to be on the hillside or the manor side of the property because this was back in the day when I worked in concierge at Siboney Radisson Resort in Jamaica. This was Siboney. So my dream was to come back here as a guest. And of course, who could be a better host than Sandals Resorts International? So I'm enjoying this wonderful villa, and fortunate as it is, I have it all to myself. I've said it before, I'll say it again. No one throws a party like Sandals. And it's not a biased statement. Yes, it's a Jamaica brand, a Jamaican owned brand. And yes, I happen to be Jamaican, but this is in no shape or form a biased statement. It is from tried and proven observation and participation. So what do I mean by that? I mean your event, your celebration, your wedding, your coming together, your reunion. You need to leave it in the hands of the professionals at Sandals Resorts International. And we're talking about Sandals properties that are dotted right across the Caribbean. You've got 18 or 19 properties to choose from between the Sandals adults only brand and the Beaches family brand. And of course, we have the best beaches in the Caribbean to brag about. Grenada and Barbados are the newest additions, and they are absolutely divine. But why should I tell you, or better still, why should you believe everything I say? Take a look and you will discover that when it's fun, games, activities, and solemnization of wedding ceremonies, you need to do the Sandals way. So, you know, we are your certified sandals specialist. We are here to ensure that you do not miss a beat. You do not miss a step. Your arrangement is on par. Because at Sandals, no one throws quite a party like they do. Take a listen.